buying things based on reviews.
Can I take it back?
No.
Nope.
What is it? Oh, it's cute.
That is so my vibe.
Love this.
Erin, today's gonna be such an exciting day because we are bringing you guys another episode of Buying Things Based on Reviews. And today's website that we are shopping from, you know it, you love arts and crafts with it, Etsy.
Oh, I spend way too much money on Etsy.
Do you?
But it's great custom gifts and like unique handmade items.
It's like a dream.
Basically what's gonna happen is Bridget has hand selected 10 items. Each of them have 1 review, so 10 reviews. And she's gonna read them to us and then we either decide we want it or we pass it. And the first one of us to get to 4 items, the game is over. And then we will unbox what we won and then unbox what we didn't choose. And sometimes that'll get you. That really gets you where it smarts because sometimes there's like the perfect item and neither of us got it.
It's a puffer!
I'm gonna throw up.
All right, ladies, are we ready for review number 1?
I guess I'm sweating, so that's a good sign, I think.
Okay, review number 1. It was beautiful and looked amazing on the top of my cake for my coffee bar.
Cake on a coffee bar. I'm gonna pass because I don't make cakes.
I'm gonna pass because what do you put on top of the cake in a coffee
Probably
bar?
like a little princess or something, like happy birthday or I don't know.
Ew, no.
All right, so we're skipping number 1?
Skipping number 1.
All right, on to review number 2. Love, love, love these.
I don't know, I love when people love things a lot because it makes me enthusiastic for
The
it.
repetition of the word love is a good sign. I don't leave love, love, loves unless it's really good.
Okay,
It's true. I'll read the rest of the
Yeah.
review. So, love, love, love these. They seem a little tight, so I'm a bit nervous about wearing them a full day, but they are absolutely gorgeous.
wearing them a full day.
Shoes? Socks?
Yeah, but people make these things.
Necklaces?
Tight.
Oh, maybe it's a toboggan.
You with the toboggan, isn't that a beanie?
No, it's a toboggan.
I can't.
We can call them both things.
As long as you're happy, I'm happy.
Okay, so Madeline is on the board with 1 review. Erin has 0, but we still have a lot of ways to go, so let's think. I love this. I bought it for the looks, but I'm additionally super happy with how buttery soft it is.
Oh, yeah, I was thinking.
thought so.
Yeah, buttery.
Butter! You have butter, you say butter, I am there.
I wanted to be butter queen.
The knots in it also gave a nice bit of extra control and reduced hand fatigue. Planning to get another one, as my girl cannot have too many coordinated sets. Smiley face.
Are these mittens?
Oh yeah, knots in it.
That's
like
weird.
mittens.
Can I take it back?
Nope. Buttery mittens are yours.
So each girl's on the board with 1 item. Review number 4. Super cute, love the fun shapes. They make for great functional decor.
Fun shapes.
I need decor. I just bought a house, so hopefully it's cool and trendy.
Okay, so Erin now has 2, Mads has 1, and we're on to review number 5. Super cute, very nice quality, soft, not too thin. It has a nice, relaxed vibe, my go-to for the weekend.
Okay, I love a weekend. Soft, thin. I love thin.
Yeah, like thin mints too. I love thin mints.
Well, sure.
Girl Scout cookie season.
Okay, cool. I have 2.
All right, we're tied now, 2 reviews each. Review number 6. Showed up and exists. I see. Showed up and is exactly as expected. My girlfriend is going to love it. Crazy quick shipping too. Already wrapped up and ready for Christmas.
She bought it for her friend.
I thought it was could be a guy buying it for a girlfriend.
Oh, my
Or a girl
girlfriend
buying
is
it for a
gonna love
girlfriend.
it. That's
Maybe
true.
it's like a love thing. And Christmas is over. You know what I mean?
It feels like a custom thing. I'm skipping. I'm passing.
Yeah, I don't like functionality in my reviews.
I'm just gonna pass because it didn't call me.
All right, we're skipping number 6. Still 2 for Erin, 2 for Mads. All right, review number 7. Aw shucks.
Oh, not a good start.
I don't mean to be corny, but this was the perfect solution to these trying times. It's warm, buttery scent brings me
Buttery scent.
buttery scent.
It's a candle. It's gotta be.
You know what? I need something for my trying times.
Let me
Continue.
read the rest.
Yep.
Oh, I wanted that
Its
one.
buttery scent brings me exquisite joy and leaves my soul glowing for hours. It not only smells, but it also looks great.
It's a candle.
I would know. I'm an authority on blank.
Crap! I want it.
I have named my blank Colonel Sanders. I will take him with me to the grave so I can ascend on his sweet scent to the heavens.
Okay, something tells me this is like one of those head candles. You know how they make them into like heads?
No.
Or like body shapes. Do you know what I mean?
yeah.
Maybe it's one of those, like a custom candle.
I mean,
Call it Colonel Sanders?
regardless, this person is passionate.
yeah.
Wait, who named something Colonel Sanders? Unless it's a chicken thing. Maybe it's a chicken candle.
Maybe it's a chicken candle, Erin.
Oh my god.
And then you can have it.
I could eat some chicken.
Okay, so now Mads has 3, Erin has 2. If Mads clicks one more, the game is over.
I want to get to the end. I won't.
Number 8. 3 more. And this is in all caps, every single word. Oh my God, this makes me so happy. It's comfy and soft and gorgeous. I'm so happy I impulse bought this. Crying smiley emoji.
That feels like a you thing, yeah.
Yeah. I feel like when you impulse buy, it's something that is maybe more expensive than you originally like would have wanted to spend.
Right, and when you see it, you're obsessed with it, but then you like are like, oh wait, should I be rational? But seeing and being obsessed right away is a good thing.
That's a good thing.
All right, so we both have 3 and we have 2 more reviews.
All right, now it's getting sticky because you have 3, I have 3, and the next person who gets it gets 4, and then the game's over.
That's true.
I've never been more stressed out in my entire life.
The kit arrived within a week. Love the extra little goodies and attention put into the packaging. We'll definitely be buying from this shop again.
Nah.
I don't need projects.
I don't make anything.
If I buy something, it needs to have already been through a project.
That was an easy skip.
Yeah.
You go, girl.
We have made it to the final review.
Yay! All right, this is for all the marbles.
Fired up.
Absolutely love this.
I just did it just because. I don't even know. I know, Aaron.
Instant replay. Absolutely love this.
I hit her hand. I hit her hand.
Oh my God. I'll share it with you.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Absolutely love this. My friend loves it, and I almost ended up keeping it for myself. LOL.
That's a good
That's
one.
gonna be so good.
That's a good one for sure.
Let's get started.
So we skipped number 1 and I immediately buzzed item number 2, and this was the one that said, love, love, love these. They seem a little tight, so I'm a bit nervous about wearing them the full day, but they're gorgeous.
It was like a negative and a positive review.
She loves them, but they're tight. Okay. Wait, that was so not what I was thinking. Oh,
there's something.
And I know people go and like source out really special Disney things, so they're cute. They are kind of tight on my head.
We have large heads.
We do.
Okay, so I got the 3rd item. This one's the one that was like, I love this, bought it for the looks, but I'm additionally super happy with how buttery soft it is.
Yeah,
With the
buttery
knots.
soft.
Oh, this is really cute.
What is it?
Oh, it's cute. I don't want to tell you because you're gonna be upset.
What is it?
It's a leash.
Wait, that is cute.
Isn't it cute? And it comes with a little bone. I love the gold details. It also has like twine, which is, you know, a very southern thing.
That is so clever. I didn't even think about the fact that you could get custom leashes.
Neither did I. This is a great gift for somebody who has a dog.
That's
the only
so nice.
issue I have with it is gonna get really filthy and dirty because my dog is a dirty boy. I would have absolutely not guessed it,
No.
but I am so glad my instincts were right. What was it that got me to click it?
Buttery soft.
Butter never failed.
What does that even mean?
So this is item number 4. Super cute. Love the fun shapes. They make for great functional decor.
Oh, right.
Decor.
The shapes. I saw a peek and I'm pissed.
Oh!
I'm
I love the way that
pissed.
sounds.
That is so my vibe.
Oh my gosh, don't you have these?
Not in those shapes. Oh, I'm jelly.
Cute. Okay, these are little bubble candles. They're very trendy on the talk. Everybody has these right now. They're kind of small. I thought that they were like bigger.
Yeah, a lot of these websites, they're kind of expensive, but you can choose if they're like scented or unscented. You could choose the scent, the color. They're fun.
Would you like a pink one?
Yeah, thanks.
I'll share.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Item number 5. This one says, super cute, very nice quality, soft, not too thin.
Thin.
Oh, not too thin. I thought it was thin, and I like thin. It has a nice relaxed vibe, my go-to for the weekend. Okay, so this tells me maybe it's like a going out top or something.
Or like a.
Okay. Oh my god, that's actually perfect.
Oh my gosh. Thank God I didn't get that.
Her, because you don't watch Friends?
No, and I can't with the Friends thing.
I love this, and it actually is like a good thinness, which I like, where it's not too bulky and like boxy.
I love this color too. I like
cute.
it. Really cute. Really
what a fun
cute.
surprise. Yeah, I'll wear this on the weekend. My going out top. This was the last one that I got because Aaron beat me to the punch on the final. But, oh shucks, I don't mean to be corny, but this was the perfect solution to these trying times. I don't know, she really likes it.
These, just see what her reaction is.
What? What? This is corn on the cob scented soap. And it really does look like corn.
Who thought of this?
Smell that. It smells like buttery because it smells like butter on corn.
Yeah, but
I don't know if I want to smell like butter. This is actually pretty fun. Why just half the corn?
Yeah, go use my restroom. It's right on the left, and someone walks in and they're like, okay, this person is weird.
Yeah, awkward.
So mine was the last one.
Oh my god, all caps.
Oh my god, this makes me so happy. It's comfy and soft and gorgeous. I'm so happy. Impulse.
Yes, this was the Impulse Buy, you guys. Oh!
Come on.
Oh!
Come on.
What? Open it! Wow.
Impulse indeed! It's very cute. If I were 7 years old, I would be clamoring at the bit for my mom to buy me this. You know what I mean?
I think that's cool.
Yeah, it is a great talking point. I feel like if you show up in this, people are gonna be like, okay, I need to know everything about this dress. What was your theme? Where did you find it? Who made it? I wanna know. I feel like it's a little revealing. Yeah. A little clavage for the strawberry shortcake audience. Hey.
Damn, little lady.
Okay, this is the number 10 one. This was the one. Absolutely love this. My friends love it, and I almost ended up keeping it.
Oh!
This way.
Oh.
Is this Paul Rudd? Oh my gosh, I've had enough Paul Rudd in my life. He farted on me in a viral video. Big things do come in small packages. Yay!
It's a chair. It's the chair. It's leather.
I'm sure you just came back from lunch. I got it. I don't know, I feel bittersweet. I feel like I shouldn't have this because until he forgives me.
I can have it then.
Comment below, Paul, please. This is my apology.
That is a really funny idea for a pillow though, because then you could, you know, part business in the front.
It's like when my husband's
Party in
not
the
there,
back.
I can like take it off
and kiss
then,
it and make out with it a little.
and then I'll put it down and he'll never know.
Oh, I was just kissing the pillow. Nothing, no weird faces were on it.
It's not what it looks like.
All right, you guys, so we've opened what we got, and now it's time to open what we didn't get. I'm a little nervous that we're gonna be really disappointed in our choices. So this was the first item. It was beautiful and looked amazing on top of my cake for the coffee bar. Like it's gonna be like $100 or something random. Like
Something like really.
Oh my god, this is cool!
Stop it!
That's really fun.
That's so fun! Wait, so we can't keep this?
No, you can't do that.
This next one showed up and is exactly as expected. My girlfriend is gonna love it and already wrapped and ready for Christmas. This is so funny.
Wait, what the heck?
What is this?
Harry Slother? Shut your mouth.
Okay, I'm glad I didn't pick this because I don't do the Harry Potter thing, but
I love that.
there's bound to be a Harry Potter person
Let me
who's gonna
see
love
this.
this. Anything that's a sloth is game, like game
Take
gift.
that. That is funny. I love a pun. I think custom mugs are such a good gift. H-A-I-R-Y.
Oh, because it's a sloth.
This is Harry.
If that's a joke, I love it.
Oh, this was the kit. The kit arrived within a week. Loved the extra little goodies and attention put into packaging. We'll definitely be buying from this shop again. Oh. Okay, so it literally is a kit. Oh my god, wait.
Is it a candy kit or a candle kit?
Oh, it's slime. Wait, I think. It also gave us candy. Oh my gosh, and little mini
I don't even know what that is, but I want it. Guys, there's a tiny Oreo in here.
This is slime, and it's got like fun little add-ons to add to your slime. Girl!
I'm sorry, it's so tiny. This is the tiniest Oreo you ever did see.
It looks like it's one of those things that you kind of add this to make it into like more better slimes.
Oh, it's ready. I like this.
I don't like that smell.
I'm changing my mind.
What does that one smell like?
No, I don't know if I love that.
Oh, I thought it was like fruity, never mind.
No, but I... This is so great. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Oh, girl, that's all you. I'm not.
What a mess.
I'm obsessed with everything we got today. I just
really
think
fun.
they are wild, out of the depths of what I could have even imagined, and a fun time.
I agree. I want to come back.
Come on back. We'll do a round 2. Let us know in the comments below if you liked it and who else we should be shopping. Let us know.